I'm super excited to have you today. Tell us your name. Let's get started.
Alright. Originally, Gabriel, UC. I'm from the East. And by state name, I'm Blackboytinz.
Wow. Blackboytinz. So, Blackboytinz, how long have you done music and what's your genre of music?
On my own part, I would say music is an inspiration because back then, when I was tender, I wasn't interested in music actually, but the more I try to run away from it, the more it comes. Like the inspiration, the lyrics comes in my head. Sometimes I'll be playing and all of a sudden I'll be singing new song. I don't know where it came from. I'll just be singing and I'll be so I say, oh my, I've not heard this song before for many years. So why am I singing it? So I'll just follow up and look for some other lyrics to back it up. And I'm doing the Afro music stuff too. Yeah.
Beautiful. Okay, so like how long now have you been doing music? Do you have like a specific number of years? I'm not talking about maybe when you were a kid you used to love music. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about when you started becoming serious with music. How long?
It's not been long. Actually, it's when I came to Lagos that I started. I took music quite serious. That was 2020. Yes.
2020. So barely 3 years. Seriously into music. All right. So basically, what's your genre of music?
I'm doing the Afromusic.
Afromusic. Yes. Beautiful. Okay. So how did you meet us? And what was your first impression about us? How did you meet the Elegant Empire? What was your first impression when you saw us?
Actually, I was scrolling on Facebook when I got to see the post. It was about Afromusic and stuff. So actually, I never thought it was a scam. I just said I should try it. I must do it. Anyhow it goes, the outcome, anyhow it goes, I'll just take it like that.
Wow.
I decided to give it a try.
Wow. So what prompted you not to feel like we are one of those scammers online?
Because I've been used to scamming. I've been scamming different ways, so it's not anything to me.
So is it that you know the language of scammers?
Yeah.
So our so how was our language?
I saw it genuine and I decided to follow up. And on my own part, I thought I was just saying, let me just follow them up. So when I see that things are getting somehow, then I'll just quit because it went all straight and everything worked out.
Wow. That's great. Black boy. Okay. So how do you see Elegant Empire now? And what can you tell the viewers out there about us?
Elegant Empire, I must say a big thank you to the management of Elegant Empire. I see them as an empire that come out to raise upcoming artists and to take them to the world. I'm just seeing this as a passport of it. And I'm not a prophet, but I can see the bigger picture in the future.
Away, so.
Yes.
Away, so. All right, beautiful. Where do you see yourself in 5 years from now, Blackboytinz? And what is your expectation from us?
Like 5 years from now, I'm hoping to grow. Yes. I'm hoping to go viral, like everywhere.
Wow.
Yes, and I expect Elegant Empire to put in their best in me, and I promise to do my best too.
All right, Blackboytinz, we are going to do our best for you, and you are definitely going to come out, and you're going to be everywhere.
Yeah.
All right. So, what is your word of encouragement to all upcoming artists there? Up and coming artists viewing us watching us right now, what is your word of encouragement to them?
I urge every upcoming artist to never say never in everything they do. In every nonsense, there is a sense. So,
in every nonsense, there is what? A sense. In every nonsense, there is what? A sense. Beautiful. I've learned that today. Although I've heard that word over time, but I've learned it again today. Yeah. Yeah, since the inside. I've seen it already. Alright, so say something up to your fans and tell us how to contact you, Blackboytinz.
I would say a big thank you to my fans out there, because I don't have a big fan base now, but I still have people that believe in me. Yes, I'll say a big thank you to them, my friends and family. I say thank you, and I urge you to keep believing in me, and I promise not to fail you. And on social media, you can contact me on IG at Blackboytinz1. On Facebook, I'm Gabriela Black. Right. Then on TikTok, I'm Blackboytinz.
Alright. Blackboytinz, thank you very much for coming around today, and I wish you all the very best.
Thank you so much.
God bless you.